Enroll your child for the manifested e-learning platform and see their grades grow tremendously. These videos can be downloaded to a laptop for offline viewing or viewed from a smartphone in a cost-friendly format.
Hello learners, welcome again to Manifested e-learning forum. I am Teacher Purity, still going to take you through hygiene and nutrition activities for grade 1. In our last lesson, we had started on our very first topic, which was healthy practices, and under healthy practices, we discussed healthy habits. We are going to learn importance of practicing healthy habits for this lesson. But before that, I want us to quickly remind ourselves some of the healthy habits that we had learned in the last lesson. Welcome to the lesson and hope you enjoy. And we are reminding ourselves of what we discussed in the last lesson. So in the last lesson, we learned some examples of healthy habits. Examples of healthy habits. Healthy habits are the things that we do to stay healthy. Healthy habits are the things we do to stay healthy. And the first example of healthy habit, we said the first example of healthy habits is drinking clean water. Drinking clean water. We are supposed to drink clean water, and the water must be either treated or boiled. Then brushing teeth. Brushing your teeth. You are supposed to brush your teeth at least 2 times in a day, in the morning when you wake up and in the evening before you go to sleep. The third one is visiting the toilet. Visiting the toilet. Why are we visiting the toilet? It is a good healthy habit for us to visit the toilet because it is going to promote our cleanliness and health. So make sure that anytime you have to relieve yourself from the long call or short call, you visit the toilet. Another example of a healthy habit, we have eating healthy foods. Eating healthy foods. What do we mean by saying eating healthy foods? Eating healthy foods means that you eat food that do not have a lot of sugar or do not have a lot of salt. So those are foods that are going to make us grow healthy and also strong. Then have another point, another healthy habit is having enough rest. Having enough rest and sleep. Having enough rest and sleep. It is always good for us to rest and also sleep. It is allowing our bodies to have a break from a busy day or a heavy activity that you might have involved in during the day. The 6th point, washing hands. Washing hands after visiting the toilet. Washing hands after visiting the toilet. Make sure that anytime you visit the toilet, you wash your hands with clean water. Then, number 7, the 7th example of a healthy habit, we have bathing every day. Bathing every day. make sure that you take a shower every day. Our bodies always get that every day, so you are supposed to bathe every day and wash your body with clean water with soap. And lastly, we have doing exercise. Doing exercise. Doing exercise means you are supposed to involve yourself in different activities like running, jumping, skipping a rope, playing football. The activities that are going to make your bodies active and strong. So these are examples of healthy habits that we discussed during the last lesson. The first one is drinking clean water, brushing your teeth, visiting the toilet, eating healthy foods. And under eating healthy foods, I mean don't eat foods that have a lot of sugar or a lot of salt. Then having enough rest and sleep. You rest and sleep after a long day of activities. The sixth point, washing hands after visiting the toilet. Then number 7, bathing every day. It is always good to take a shower every day. And lastly, we have doing exercise. These are examples of healthy habits. So for this lesson, we want to discuss the importance of practicing all these healthy habits. You want to find out why is it good for us to practice these healthy habits. The importance of practicing healthy habits. Let's find out why is it good. What are the reasons behind us practicing the healthy habits that we discussed? Now, importance of practicing healthy habits. As we said, healthy habits are the things that we involve in that help us to stay healthy. Why are we supposed to practice these healthy habits? The first one is because they improve our health. They make us to be healthy. So reason number 1, they make us to be healthy. They make us to be healthy. When you drink clean water, when you wash your hands after visiting the toilet, you will not easily fall sick because you are already protecting yourself from diseases. Then the second one, it prevents germs that cause diseases. It prevents germs that cause diseases. Let's take for instance, when you drink dirty water. When you drink dirty water, you are going to be sick. You can have diarrhea. And diarrhea is very dangerous for our health because the body is losing a lot of water. So when you drink clean water, you will be preventing germs which can cause the diarrhea. So it is make sure that you are practicing the healthy habits. Drink clean water. Make sure that you wash your hands. Then the third one, it makes us to be strong. It makes us to be strong. When you participate in doing exercises, when you play football, when you jump, when you run, you are going to make your body become strong, and therefore you will not be easily attacked by diseases which can affect our health. So these are the 3 main importances or reasons why it is good for us to practice healthy habits. The first one, they make us to be healthy. You will not become sick when you practice the healthy practices. Then the second one, we have it prevents germs that cause diseases. Remember, germs are very small organisms. You cannot be able to see them. And for you to prevent these germs, it is very good for you to observe your cleanliness. Make sure that you are taking a bath every day. You are washing your hands every time after visiting the toilet. You are also washing fruits and vegetables before you eat. Then lastly, we have it makes us to be strong. When you do exercise, you are making your body to be strong for the next activity or next day. It is very important for us to practice these healthy habits. If you have not been taking a bath every day, make sure that you now take a bath every day. Those of you who don't like brushing their teeth, make sure you also start brushing your teeth. It will be very, very good for your health. I'll give you some questions. You are going to answer them, finish them before you attend the next lesson. So the assignments, fill in the gaps with the correct answer from the brackets. Now I've written for you the choices in the brackets. You will choose the correct answer to fill in the blank spaces. Question 1, drinking clean water can make us dash. Healthy, sick. So you will choose the correct answer and write it in the blank space. Question 2, germs can make us dash. Ill, happy. You write for me the answer. Then number 3, eating sugary foods is dash to our health. Good or bad. You will select for me the answer and write in the blank space. Finish the work. Hope to see you in the next lesson. I have been Teacher Purity. Goodbye.
Manifested Publishers Limited is a research and teaching center that specializes in the production of learning materials and private online tuition for primary, secondary, tertiary, and university education. Sign up as a new customer at www.manifestedpublishers.com. Fill in the